Hi, today I am going to show you how to purchase a t-shirt on My Dream Store. Right now we are on a page where there is a t-shirt, Legends are born in February, for people who are born in February. This is just for an example. So you can see this is the front and this is the back of the hoodie. Okay, there are also different options available here. This is the t-shirt and we have multiple colors. If we go for red one, and we can go for blue, and there is a woman's t-shirt with the same design, and there are again multiple colors for this t-shirt. So let us try purchasing the t-shirt, or let us go for the hoodie. Now see, they have provided you with a coupon code MDS50 so that you can get 50 rupees discount. Okay, and they also say pay online and get 50 rupees off cashback. So total 50 rupees off and 50 rupees cashback. Okay, and if you have any doubt you can call this number. Okay, I have selected the hoodie and I will go for the black one, black hoodie. And okay, they have 2 days, 2 hours and 19 minutes left, so we need to purchase within this time period. So this campaign will end, this t-shirt will be available only for 2 more days. Okay, and now I'm going to press on the buy button. So XXL is my size, add to cart, and once we add it to cart, pay online and get 50 cashback in your MDS wallet. Okay, all right. Coupon code, as we have seen before, there is a coupon code that they provided us, MDS 50, and I am applying it. Coupon has already been used. Oh, I think I have already used this coupon code earlier. So if you are buying for the first time, you will get a discount of 50 rupees. Don't worry, right now I am not getting that discount, and the price is 1199. There are 3 options of payment. One is online payment, that is where through your debit card, credit card, net banking, whatever, any wallet or something. And there is My Dream Store wallet, in which I don't have any balance. And there is another option, cash on delivery. I chose cash on delivery, and this is the pop-up that came in front of me. What they are saying is pay online to save 119 rupees. That is, if you are going for cash on delivery, they are charging you another 69 rupees, and you are not getting 50 rupees cashback as well. So if you are paying online, you get a 50 rupees cashback, plus you don't have the 69 cash on delivery charge. Alright, I'll go for the online payment, as I can save 119 rupees. And all the details are pre-filled here. You can just fill those details, your name, your address, your contact number, alternate contact number, pin code, state, city. This is all pretty basic, and you can see the amount, and you can go for checkout. Okay, and here you can use your debit card, credit card, and banking, whatever. I'll go for the debit card. All you need to do is enter your card number and all those details and pay now. That's it. This way you can purchase a t-shirt on My Dream Store. Hope that is helpful.